Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to find MAC and IP address on Linux. In Linux is essential for troubleshooting network connectivity issues and configuring network security settings, so let's get started. Now press Ctrl plus Alt plus T to open terminal. In that, type IPA and hit enter. That's it, you have found your MAC and IP address. If you enjoyed this video, consider subscribing for more. And hit the like button if you found this helpful. And let me know what you thought in the comments below.